How do you counter a consumer's negative perception of your shop? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Sometimes consumers have the misconception that shops are out to squeeze every penny they can from insurers. How do you prove to customers that you aren't ripping them and their insurers off? For many consumers, their first contact following an accident is with an insurance appraiser, who may assure the policyholder after the estimate that there will be no additional repairs to what they quoted. For example, the customer comes into the shop with his insurance estimate. The shop estimator looks at the car and finds additional damage, requiring a supplement. A consumer with no knowledge of collision repair often sees a supplement as an attempt to take advantage of the insurance company. The consumer education process needs to begin the moment the consumer comes into your shop. Don't assume customers know that something will or won't be repaired. Don't assume they're familiar with phrases and repair procedures you take for granted, such as LKQ and R&I. Also, try using positive terms such as disassemble with customers instead of phrases like tear down the vehicle to avoid negative interpretations of the repair process. By explaining to consumers that cars are complex and that insurers are only human, they'll understand that there may be errors or omissions on the insurance estimate. Another way to address hidden damage is to have a properly worded disclaimer on your estimates, and make sure to point it out. If customers are still skeptical, don't pressure them. Acknowledge that they could certainly go elsewhere to have the damage fixed for less money, but remind them of the old adage, you get what you pay for. Make sure they understand the difference between proper and improper repairs, and explain what both can mean for the safety and function of the vehicle. Remember to tell a customer that their insurer is obligated to restore the vehicle to pre-loss condition. And be sure to mention that when the time comes to trade or sell the vehicle, and a prospective buyer notes the damage, improper repairs will definitely affect the price. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.